Hi, Christine at One Pour More here. So you came across onepourmore.com and you discovered the at-home pour kits. Now what? How do you order one? So on the website, if you choose at-home pour kit, you're going to be selecting a small, medium, or large canvas. You're going to be selecting rectangular or square for your canvas, and then you're going to be selecting your paint colors. The paint colors available to you are white, black, red, yellow, blue, the primary colors, orange, green, purple, and teal, secondary colors, and metallic gold and metallic silver. So if you're wanting to do pastel colors, make sure you order white to go with your blue for a light blue. If you want brown, you want to make sure you order orange and green. Those create brown when you mix them together. If you'd like your purple to be lighter, you can add white. If you'd like your purple to be metallic, you can add gold or silver. If you want your teal to be more blue, make sure you add blue to your order as well. I will always make sure that you get enough paint to do your painting, so don't worry about that. Some of the other techniques I'm going to show you may include other devices and other tools, and at the beginning of each video I'll let you know these things are not included in the pour kit, but if you have them at home or can stop by the dollar store, you can pick them up. What will come in your pour kit is your canvas. You will also receive a garbage bag to create a nice surface so you don't get paint all over your house. Your paint colors will come in a nice food type container so that they don't spill all over on your way home. If you're like me driving in the car, it seems like things always end up flying across the car for some reason. You will also receive some cups so that you can mix some paints together, and some of the dirty pours require a cup for stacking your paint in to pour. You'll also take some craft sticks with your pour to be able to mix with, and you will have thumbtacks that come in your kit as well, and that's for this use. So where the wood joins on the canvas, you stick the thumbtacks in nice and solidly so that they don't fall out, so that your canvas is really easy to manipulate because you have that space. Also, if you dry your canvas on a solid surface, you'll end up with dried paint stuck to the back of your canvas that you have to trim off. If you have your canvas elevated like this, that is not a problem. The canvas dries a lot better because the other paint drips off before it dries. So the first step is to make sure you have clothing on that is paint safe. This paint is non-toxic. You can also use gloves if you don't want to get paint on your hands. And then you're going to make sure that you use the garbage bag to cover the space underneath where you're going to be painting to keep your area from getting paint on it. All of the paints I use are non-toxic. My paints are a blend of Artist Loft acrylic paint with Floetrol paint conditioner and water. So let's get painting. I'm so excited.